So how many drops?
Sir, only 2. Capable of 2, sir, for parallel maintenance, sir. 2. And LRS 3.
Why only 2?
That's another 350,000 per day. So yan ang kapasidad doon ng system natin from Clark to Calamba.
Ito sa Malolos PNR station. What to expect? At ano yung mga pwede natin puntahan? One of the historic places dito sa Malolos, Bulacan ay itong Baraswain Church. Actually, ito yung dating binabike namin, ano? Grabe, nakakamiss.
Purong pagmamahal.
Alright guys, this is the parang simulation room ng train. Tapos meron sila dun na actual simulator. Papasokin po natin ngayon. So ito yung pinaka view. Makita nyo may linya sa ibabaw dahil electric operated na po siya.
We'll park it and the train in the station.
No, ATO mode yan.
Yes.
What do we want to start? One. Right?
To close thermal distance.
I don't close this. Okay. Then most of it is
Can emerge maybe. P1. Sige sir.
How do you control the speed?
It is posting wala pa sir signaling ko. It will show here. But you can refer to this one. Then tingin na yung survey.
What is the maximum?
120.
120?
Yes.
All the way?
Yes. The station is destination is Tatuban, next station is Balagtas, and we're currently after the end.
So how do you know the distance?
Wala, chairman, nandito yan eh. Sa signaling component wala pa. That's the station, chairman.
Ito.
So you can slow down na po. You can either neutral or braking. That's neutral, sir, or you can go to braking now. Pwede po ang isagad na braking. Since then, ang police station natin.
Yun ang station?
Yan, police station. So 90 kph. 80, 70, 60. You can neutral po po. Best baka mabagal lang po tayo. 40.
Malayo, parang
Tayo pa. Bitin.
Thank you. Details po magpunta
Mag-overshoot kayo, sir. Break na. Overshoot.
Ayan.
Walang yan.
Bitin.
Tumigil siya. Iwan lang. Kaya po, sir.
Ito may rendering ng Balagtas Station. Ito yung nadaanan nyo kanina, sir. Balagtas Station. Yung 8, yung may placard na 8 po dun sa may Independence. Around the bottom na po na screen, yun po yung nakakarahan.
Yan ang tigil.
The bottom po ng screen. Just the top, just the bottom.
Ayos. Door open.
Door open, sir.
Door
Ito,
open.
dalawang, ito, red. Itong blue.
Ang galing. This is the actual simulator ng PNR bagong train. Nice! Okay.
That's right. Because it's raining.
Pag pinitawag mo, sir, para mabalik siya sa
Ah, ba't hindi pwede bitaw?
pag pinitawag mo, sir, parang yung parang intern lang po. Pag pinitawag mo, mabalik sa It's a challenge. You can't see the station. Red lights are required on sunny or daytime. Only on night time.
I know speed restriction, huh?
No speed restrictions.
But it's raining. Okay.
Nice!
Full speed ahead. Yun, sakto.
And this one, sir. This one
Door open.
and this one. Blue. Yes. The button.
Okay. Very good.
Okay. Success. Yeah.
Thank you. Very happy to meet you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Orientation, andito po tayo. Ito yung workshop, nandito po banda. Ito yung light repair shop. Tapos yung ibang mga small building. Basically ito yung mga major buildings natin.
Oh, 15 trucks. Ano ba? 15 trucks?
50 sir.
15?
15 trucks sir. Kaabot agad po sir.
Workshop, how many trucks?
Sir, only 2. Capable of 2 sir. For parallel maintenance sir. 2. And LRS 3.
Why only 2?
Why only 2 sir?
Design, sir.
I think
Oh yeah, why only 2? How many cartridges? How many? Right?
13, sir, for
13.
Then 3?
3 sir. Parallel 3 sir.
Better check. That might not be enough. For example, one damaged car due to accident. So one truck, right?
One truck.
So only one. You will do that for a month. Only one truck left is vacant. And then if there's a work on the second truck, no more third truck. So you'll be doing work outside. Oh. Right? So yeah, what will happen is you will be doing it here. You will be doing it there. But what's your water source?
It's like this here.
Once it is here, then the 3 trucks will be inside. And then have outside there are the 3 trucks over there. And for the LRS there are the 3 trucks will be inside.
Pardon?
Okay, so the 3 trucks for that will be inside.
For the light,
Right, yes, correct, right.
3 trucks, yes.
And the workshop, I think it's 1, 2, this one also, the 3 trucks. And the 2 trucks is the outside. If we take a look at this building from the south side, this is the same.
Yeah.
So the 2 truck is here and the inside is the 3 truck, I think. I'm not sure.
And that you think that's enough? Is that enough? Supposing there's one car that met an accident, so you have to do repair. You repair it here, and then you do bogie replacement on the second. So no more extra truck. 2 trucks might not be enough in the long run. For brand new cars, yes, but in the long run, 2 trucks might not be enough. What's your water source? Where do you do the The cleaning, where's the cleaning of the trains? Where do you conduct the cleaning? Where's the sprinkler system? This one?
The car wash, rail car wash system, sir, it will be here. The rail car wash system. It will be, the source of water will be Painilan.
And then the storage. Where's the storage?
The storage of water tank will be here, sir. Here. This one, sir. Here.
What's the
1,
capacity?
2. 15,000, sir, and this 12,000.
How many? Good for how many days? Without
I'm,
water?
I'm not sure on the capacity of the entire consumption of each building. But this supply will be only for depot only.
Yeah, but assuming it's on a full capacity, working on a full capacity, how many days will the water last? Assuming there's no water, you better find out.
We'll find out, sir.
Okay. This is the firewater tank, right?
Yes, sir.
What about the tank for daily consumption?
Over here, sir. It is combined with fire water tank and domestic water tank, sir.
Okay.
There are two chambers, sir.
Okay. Detention basin for
For the drainage, sir. For the drainage of the entire depot.
and your
Here also.
waste disposal system.
A disposal system for the drainage will be, the outfall will be here, the perimeter and the open.
Where do you store your waste system? The oil.
The oil,
storage?
every building has dedicated oil separator, sir. Every building.
No.
Sorry.
The oil coming from the light repair. I suppose the oil station will be around here.
The fuel oil.
Oil storage waste system.
Several, sir. One here, one over here, LRS. Workshop is over.
And then how do you take it out? By truck?
By truck, sir.
By truck.
By truck. There are separate locations, sir, that can be transport.
Better than Clark Depot.
I haven't been there, sir.
Better than Clark Depot.
Alright guys, kasama rin natin yung ating General Manager ng PNR, Sir Jeremy Regino. Good morning, good afternoon again, sir. Sir, malaman lang po namin approximately or estimate, ilan yung capacity na kayang ikarga ng isang pasada ng isang train po natin?
Yung Malolos to Tutuban, that's 300,000 per day. And then yung extension, that's another 350,000 per day. So, yan ang kapasidad doon ng system natin from Clark to Calamba.
For a daily basis po yun?
Yes.
Grabe! Wow!
Oh.
Thank you so much po. We are so excited na po, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations ngayon pa lang. God bless
Salamat.
po.
Okay, thank you.
Hi guys, dito sa Malolos PNR Station, what to expect at ano yung mga pwede natin puntahan. One of the historic places dito sa Malolos, Bulacan ay itong Baraswain Church. Actually, ito yung dating binabike namin, ano? Grabe, nakakamiss. Kaya di natin siya mapapasok, ano, dahil sarado siya ngayon. But though, diba? This is part of our history. Grabe. Ganda. boss, pwede ba kayo sa vlog ko, boss? Pwede ba kayo sa vlog ko? Okay. Mga boss, saan pa kayo galing yan? Eh, mga tayo sa Caloocan pa. Tapos dalawa lang kayo nag-bike dito. Apat po. Kamusta naman? Kamusta? Basic?
Malayo rin, pero
Bali, anong pinunta natin dito, boss? Para sa research. Mga boss, thank you.
Thank you pa.
Alright, yung mga puro, no? Isipin mo, mag-ride pa sila from Caloocan to Malolos, Bulacan, just to dito, makapunta dito, makakita ito ng Barsoy Church. At the same time, syempre, para makapagdasal na, alam niyo naman, ano? Once in a while, eh, maganda rin yung nakapupunta tayo sa different ambience, different environment to really feel the spirit, di ba, ng Panginoon. Actually, hindi lang ako magaling sa history, pero napaka-historic ng Barsoy Church kasi ang naalala ko dito ginawa yung constitution. Hindi ko alam. So dito pwede kang mag picture meron sa dito sa gitna na parang Gobyerno del Republica Filipina. Don Antonio, tanggal na ibang titles. Bautista yata. So, talaga mag-po dito, mag Philippine flag, tapos Emilio Aguinaldo. Basa-basa tayo konti dito. So ayan, if you imagine pag na-construct na yung Malolos PNR station, you're I think 2 minutes away dito, papunta dito sa Barsoy Church. And then ano lang siya, tricycle ride from PNR station. Ito Emilio Aguinaldo, unang Pangulo ng Pilipinas dito nga sa Malolos. Tapos matagal nilipat ang pamahalaang revolusyon Dario mula Bacoor, Cavite dahil sa napipindang digmaan Pilipino-Amerikano. Imagine that, diba? Wow. Ano kaya yung kanilang bell, Pampanga, high-tech na ngayon. Ganda. This is a must visit place. Kaya, ayan, pag nabuo na yung Malolos PNR station, napakadali na po natin itong puntahan. Hi Mami, good morning.
Morning po.
Ma'am, taga saan pa po sila, madam?
Taga Sambales po.
Sambales?
Yes po.
Grabe. O, kumusta naman po?
Maganda po. First time.
Talagang sinadya nyo to puntahan?
Yes po.
Ayun. Ba't saan po ba kayo papunta ngayon?
Dito lang po sa bahay ng friend ko. Tapos sa Malolos, Bulacan.
Alright, nice. Enjoy, Mami.
Thank you po.
Ingat po, God bless.
God bless.
Alright. Alright, ano, grabe, galing pa Sambales sila, madam. Alright guys, that's it. Guys, grabe, Telesim Philippines #1. Mura na quality pa. Ito po yung gamit natin sa ating motovlogging. Pag sa operation, tatanggal ka ng helmet or itataas mo helmet yung Telesim Philippines. Ang ganda niyan, guys. Sobrang ergonomic yan. Komportable, ang ganda pa. Very slick lang yan. Angas. Yung mount na gamit natin, Telesim din yan. Yung sa nakaharap sa akin na footage yan yun. Tapos Telesim sa cellphone. Yan. Bakit Telesim products? Ito mga puro, makita nyo yan yung original GoPro battery. I'm using Hero 7 and Hero 8. So ayan, turn on, record, and then bang, error. Imagine, napaka-importante ng kukunan mo tapos mag-e-error yung camera mo. Naku po. Ayan mga puro, tignan nyo, gagamitin natin yan. Lumang-lumang Telesin battery na yan. Ilang taong ko na siguro nagamit yan. I think 1 or 2 years. Na-repair niya yung file. Record. All good. Yung battery life niya, hindi din ganun ka pilis maubos. Yan kung bakit Telesin ang ginagamit natin as accessories sa ating GoPro. Lahat ng baterya natin is Telesin Philippines battery. So yung makita nyo, ilang minutes na yan. Iniwan ko lang yung nagre-record. 25 minutes na, 25 minutes. Lahat na nakasalpak dyan po ay Telesin batteries. Yung mga pinakita ko kanina. Kaya kung magpapalit ka lang din, mag-Telesin ka na.
Wala akong papapaw. So thank you so much sa wala sa akong support, tiwala. Wala akong masabi kundi thank you so much. Thank you sa Panginoon at ingat kayo palagi. Again, kung wala akong papapaw. So thank you so much. God bless you. Purong pagmamahal. Thank you so much. God bless.